Our universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders beyond our imagination. Imagine a dark, endless sea dotted with countless twinkling lights, each one a beacon of mystery and beauty. Each light is a galaxy, a massive collection of stars, gas, dust, and planets, all bound together by gravity. Just like our own sun, each star is a fiery ball of gas that lights up the cosmos, providing warmth and light to its surroundings. Our sun has its own family of planets, and we live on a very special one, Earth. It's the only known planet to harbor life. Now imagine that our galaxy, the Milky Way, is like a giant city of stars, each star a potential home for planets and possibly life. It's a swirling pinwheel-shaped structure with billions upon billions of stars, each one a sun to its own solar system. And just like cities on Earth, galaxies exist in clusters, bound together by gravity, forming a cosmic web of interconnected structures. Our Milky Way belongs to a group called the Local Group, a small cluster of galaxies that are our closest neighbors in the vast universe. Within this local group, there's another spiral galaxy similar in size to the Milky Way called Andromeda, a majestic and awe-inspiring sight. And guess what? Andromeda is on a collision course with our own galaxy, a cosmic event that will reshape the night sky. Don't worry though, this cosmic event won't happen for billions of years, giving us plenty of time to marvel at the universe as it is now. But when it does, it will be a breathtaking spectacle. A celestial dance of epic proportions, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Picture the Milky Way as a majestic spiral, its arms swirling with stars, gas, and dust. Our sun, a rather ordinary star, resides in one of these arms, far from the galactic center. Andromeda, our galactic neighbor, is another grand spiral, even larger than the Milky Way. These two galaxies are the heavyweights of our local group, and they are destined to meet. Right now, Andromeda is about 2.5 million light-years away from us. That's an incredibly vast distance. Light itself, traveling at the fastest speed possible, takes 2.5 million years to cover that gap. So even though we say they are colliding, it's more like a slow, graceful dance than a head-on crash. Gravity is the invisible choreographer, slowly drawing these galaxies closer and closer over billions of years. You might imagine galactic collisions to be catastrophic events, with stars smashing into each other and explosions rocking the cosmos. But the reality is far more elegant. Galaxies are mostly empty space. The distances between stars are so vast that actual stellar collisions are incredibly rare, even during these cosmic mergers. Instead, when galaxies interact, their gravity plays havoc on their structures. The graceful spiral arms get distorted and stretched, pulling out long streamers of stars and gas. These interactions trigger intense bursts of star formation as gas clouds collide and collapse, igniting new generations of stars. It's a beautiful and chaotic dance, a celestial ballet that unfolds over eons, reshaping the galaxies involved. Section 4. Milky Way Andromeda Collision, a dance in slow motion. The Milky Way Andromeda collision is predicted to unfold over billions of years, a slow-motion dance of cosmic proportions that will reshape our night sky and the structure of our galaxy. Here's a simplified timeline of this grand cosmic event, breaking down the stages of this colossal interaction. In about 4 billion years, Andromeda will loom large in our night sky, a spectacular sight visible to the naked eye, transforming our view of the cosmos. Over the next few billion years, the galaxies will make their first close pass, their gravitational forces distorting their shapes, drawing out long tails of stars and gas, creating a mesmerizing celestial ballet. Around 6 billion years from now, the two galaxies will merge, their cores passing through each other in a dramatic and powerful collision. The night sky will blaze with the light of newly formed stars as the collision triggers waves of star formation. Over the subsequent billions of years, the galaxies will repeatedly pass through each other, their structures merging more and more with each passage, gradually becoming one. Finally, after about 7 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will settle into a new equilibrium, forming a single giant elliptical galaxy, often called Milkomeda or Milkdromeda, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe. Section 5. Our solar system, a front-row seat to the spectacle. Now you might be wondering, what about our solar system during all of this? How will it fare in the grand cosmic dance? Well, the good news is that our solar system is likely to survive this galactic merger. Despite the chaos, it will remain largely intact. As I mentioned earlier, stellar collisions are rare, and our sun is unlikely to directly collide with another star. The vast distances between stars make such events improbable. However, that doesn't mean it will be business as usual. The gravitational forces at play will have significant effects. Our solar system's position within the Milky Way will be shuffled around. It will no longer reside in the same neighborhood. We might be flung out to the outskirts of the merged galaxy, or even ejected into intergalactic space. This new position could offer a unique vantage point. The night sky will change dramatically as the stars of Andromeda mingle with our own. New constellations will form and familiar ones may disappear. While these changes sound drastic, they will unfold over such long periods that life on Earth, if it still exists, will have ample time to adapt. The universe is always in motion, and we are just along for the ride. Section 6. Galactic collisions shaping the universe. Galactic collisions, far from being destructive, are a fundamental process in the evolution of the universe, shaping its very fabric. They drive galactic growth, trigger intense star formation, and shape the large-scale structure of the cosmos, influencing its destiny. In the early universe, galaxies were smaller and closer together, making collisions much more frequent and impactful. These mergers played a crucial role in building up the massive galaxies we see today, forming the giants of the cosmos. Even now, throughout the universe, galaxies are colliding and merging, creating spectacular displays of cosmic fireworks and energy. These events remind us that the universe is not static, it's a dynamic, ever-evolving place full of wonder and change. Section 7. The grand cosmic play, beauty, and significance. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is a testament to the grand scale and beauty of the universe we live in. It's a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a cosmic dance that has been playing out for billions of years. Though this event may seem far off and inconsequential to our daily lives, it highlights the incredible forces at play in the universe and the interconnectedness of everything around us. It's a reminder to look up at the night sky with wonder and appreciate our place in this vast and ever-changing cosmos.